Lab, Solaires Enterprise with Carolina Betancourt.
Thank you. Imagine if we could capture the sun's energy from anywhere, from windows, building facades, electric vehicles. However, conventional technology is not suitable for that. We need new materials and technology that could help us fulfill the requirements for those applications. Solar cells were invented in the 1970s with silicon as a key component. Their applications are limited because we can only have the solar panels that you have probably seen: heavy, rigid, opaque, rooftop solar panels or ground-mounted solar panels. The industry is also facing lots of challenges in the supply chain, production, efficiency, and end-of-life stages. But that's a different story for another time. Fortunately, not everything is lost. A new natural mineral called perovskite has been discovered. Solaire has developed a patent-pending perovskite-based solar ink that enables the fabrication of next-generation perovskite solar cells. This material has numerous opportunities and also solves those challenges of supply chain, production, efficiency, and end-of-life stages. Most importantly, perovskite allows for the fabrication of light, flexible, and translucent films that you can attach to any surface, even your smartwatches or mobile phones. Imagine never having to recharge those again. Oh, and by the way, perovskite can also produce electricity from light bulbs. So cloudy days, nights, and indoor spaces are no longer a problem. Everyone will be able to access solar energy harvesting even if they don't own roofs or land. That's the dream that inspires Solaire's founders to begin this journey. A PhD specialized in nanotechnology and a serial entrepreneur, together with our incredible team, including myself, are ready to make it happen. Thank you.
Wonderful job, Carolina.